Ngozi.
Hello boys and girls, mummies and daddies, aunties and uncles, grandmas and grandpas. Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well and enjoying this animal series with me. Again, I'm reading one of my books, My First 100 Animals in Igbo Language. Today, we will be reading about the sea and the water animals. Okay, what can you do? Let's start. We have fish, azu. Fish, azu. There are many different types of fish in the ocean or in the sea, but in a general sense in Igbo, we call every type of fish azu. Okay. Then we've got the hippopotamus, which is called hippo for short. Okay. And the Igbo word for hippo is enyi mmiri. Remember in our other session in the wild animals, we talked about enyi. Enyi is what? The elephant. And it's normally used to describe something really big. So enyi and mmiri. Mmiri means water. So it basically means that this is the big animal of the water. So it's like the elephant of the water. Enyi mmiri. Hippo. Okay, because hippos are quite big. Then we have the turtle. The turtle is mbe mmiri. The turtle is different from the tortoise. The tortoise is a land animal. That's the one that lives hundreds of years. The turtle, on the other hand, lives mostly in water. It can live on land as well, but it's mostly in the water. Okay? And that's why it's called mbe mmiri. Turtle is mbe mmiri, the tortoise that lives in the water. Whereas mbe, which is the one that lives only on land, is called mbe, tortoise. Tortoise is mbe and turtle is mbe mmiri. Then we have the crocodile. The crocodile is called aguiyi. 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 Crocodile. Then we have the crab. Nshiko. Nshiko. Crab. Nshiko. We have the crayfish. The crayfish is called isha. Isha. Crayfish. Then we have the starfish. Starfish is called azu babando. Babando basically means the star, and azu, as we learned, means fish. So a starfish is known as azu babando. Then we have the periwinkle. The periwinkle is called isam. Isam. Periwinkle. Isam. Then we have the seahorse. The seahorse is called inyinya mmiri. Inyinya mmiri. Remember we said inyinya was meant horse in our very first land animal series. So the horse of the sea or of the water is inyinya mmiri. Inyinya mmiri. Then we have the sea lion. Odum mmiri. Odum is lion. Odum mmiri. Sea lion. Then we have the sea cow, and that's ehi mmiri. Ehi mmiri. Remember we said cow meant what? Ehi. So the sea cow is ehi mmiri. That's the end of our sea animals. Until next time, nyagaziarunu. Take care. Bye bye.